This is a Chinese symbol for active listening. With the active listening, we have the ears to hear, because Chinese symbols are a combination of different characters. One part is the ears to hear, listen. Another part is the eyes to see. So we have the observe, the listen. But then I think this is really interesting that these are at the bottom. We have, which is already mentioned before, undivided attention, so that we focus. But this is what's so important. The mind to think and the heart to feel. Now, when I've done a lot of reading on listening skills, they don't talk that much about the mind and the heart. But if we don't bring that into it, we're not being a complete listener.